Had a green screen in iMovie. So we have our media clip in the media pool. Now let's say we want it to be on a white background. Put the media clip on top of the background. Now drag this out so the entire clip is on it. Click on the clip, go up to the two boxes right here where it says cutaway, click green/blue screen. And it's that simple. Lowering the softness in this case makes the clip a little bit more clear. But let's say you film something and the outside of the green screen is showing. In that case, let's do what we did before, and you can see, yeah, that doesn't look too great. If we take these circles on the corners here and drag them in a little bit, you can see that it gets rid of some of that background. And there we go. Then now you can see some gray on the top right where we cut out the background. It's a little bit easier to see if we lower the softness. There it is. So in that case, we go to the cleanup section, go to the eraser, and then we just drag it around, and you can see that sometimes it can be a little bit finicky. That's why you just have to play with it and click around your subject, and sometimes you do have to drag a little bit, but yeah, then that can happen. You just have to play with it, and eventually you get something that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, you gotta be pretty careful with it sometimes. See, there we go, I clicked and drag, and yeah, once you're careful with it, then it works. Sometimes you have to be careful at least. Important to note that you can still do all your color grading stuff even when you're using the green screen. Of course, you can go to the crop section and crop out a little bit around the subject, and then that will help get rid of some of that background. And if we move these circles back out just to see what it would look like, as you can see, we still have stuff that we don't want in the frame. So in that case, these circles still come in handy. Another thing you can do, which is kind of a hidden feature in iMovie, I don't know why it's not more prominent, when the clip is in the media pool specifically, if you click on it and then go to the crop section and then click crop, then you can play with the crop a little bit more than you can when it's in the timeline, which I'm not sure why this is only in the media pool, don't ask me, but it's there. So once you click the check mark, then we get that. Then you can just drag that onto the timeline, and then I don't like Ken Burns usually, so click fit, and then go to the green screen/blue screen, and there we go. See, because this is fixed to that 16:9 aspect ratio. Whereas with this, we can change the aspect ratio as much as we want.